Yes, it is true. I am redoing the layout. I know this may be a shocker to some of you guys, but seriously, it's true. It's for the better. Ever since I built this layout in 2018, it's really been nothing short of like maintenance nightmares. I don't know if maintenance is the right word, but you know, but like mechanical nightmares. So I was just like, you know what? Just recently I decided I think I should just put this problem behind me and start from scratch. So that's what I'll be doing. So basically what happened back in the day is the track was just all dirty. It was steel track, so it got dirty really easily, and it would go you know, stuff like that. Like, this layout has basically been Hypersonic XLC at King's Dominion, you know, all not good. But I think I'm doing this for the better. So let me go through some of the changes that are going to be going to the layout that will affect like how it looks like right now. It's officially time to say goodbye to the elevated section along with the mountain. These two just do not work out. I plan to add a siding here and a siding here, and also the minimum radius of these curves will be reduced from 26 inch and 18, it'll increase from 18 inches to 22 inches on the inside. Because Atlas does not make 26 inch curves. But you know, I'm going with Atlas. Yes, that is one thing. I'm no more Bachmann Easy Track. Atlas all the way. And y'all are probably thinking like, Devin, this was probably supposed to be a summer project for you. Well, I think it's just best by summer I just have like a clean slate and then I can just get started. So we're gonna get started now. This is a flathead screwdriver for pride. I don't even have a garbage bag. I should probably get a garbage bag. I'll go get one. So I'm gonna start off by removing these station pieces. I think they're most certainly going to fall off, or fall apart, but you know, it's just, you know, worth a try. And yes, I do have tool experience, so you don't have to worry about me. I'm a very trustworthy guy with tools, okay? Do not use anything other than hot glue to glue stuff down. It's not good. Oh. I think this guy's done. I'm probably gonna end up replacing everything in the end anyways, but you know. And this, my friends, is what we call in the Midwest a problem. Okay, so this hot glue dried. Now, it does not want to come off. At least I think it's hot glue. I don't know, maybe it could be something else, but it's not coming off. Figure it out in the end. Well, that was easy. I don't think I'm gonna keep this road either. Starting from scratch. I've said that like 20 times, but I think it's actually a good idea to start from scratch than to start from smooth. Or whatever the opposite of scratch is. Itch. I made a makeshift platform out of cordboard, and it ended up being like one of the worst things ever, so... Uh-oh. Okay. I panicked like it wasn't gonna come off. I'll need to learn to plan ahead. Okay, it just exploded and now I have no clue where it is. Now I can find it again. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you guys are upset about the elevate being removed, but definitely I'm not. Now, what may be one of the saddest moments of your guys' lives is watching this whole entire section of track get absolutely demolished. One reason Bachman and Atlas track don't go together very well is because the ties are different colors. I have a screw in here. I screwed this in, but we don't have any Phillips heads. Talk to myself. I'm gonna pause right now and be back. So maybe not removing the lower level first. I think I might remove this thingy first. I also decided to add a piece of foam to the top just to make it a little simpler. And I also forgot to do this, guys. So do that. Bruh, I literally just remembered, like, I have my trains, like, all stacked up and piled up here, when I literally just have the boxes I can put them in. Here we go! Oh my gosh. So I think that's gonna wrap it up for day one of Layout Demolition. I just came up with that name on the spot. Amazing, right? I'll be back again. It might be a little while until I post the next one because I'm so busy, but look, I made a lot of progress today. I moved all the big portions. Now I just gotta remove all this track, and then all this embarrassment down here. These little scuffs right here. They're just gonna be covered by this one big piece of foam. So, or two big pieces of foam. So no worry, hang in there. Subscribe. Peace out. I'm at 400. Thank you. Peace out. My hand is green. Bye.